Hey, there. Welcome back to LifeHacks Daily, your source for daily life improvement. Today, we've got something special for you as we uncover 5 essential finance tips that no one else will tell you. So, let's dive right in and unlock the secrets to financial success. Budgeting made simple. The first step to financial freedom is budgeting, but we won't bore you with complicated spreadsheets. Our secret? Create separate accounts for spending and saving. Allocate a specific amount to each, and stick to it. You'll be surprised how effective this simple hack can be in taking control of your finances. The power of automation. Now, here's a sneaky little secret: automation is your best friend. Set up automatic transfers from your income to your savings account. By doing this, you're essentially paying yourself first. Trust us, your future self will thank you for this smart move. Cracking the credit code. Credit scores can be tricky, but not anymore. Our secret sauce is keeping your credit utilization low. Don't use more than 30% of your available credit. Also, pay your bills on time, every time. It's the key to maintaining a stellar credit score. Hidden savings opportunities. Let's talk about hidden savings opportunities. Scour your budget for unnecessary expenses. That daily fancy coffee? Switch it up with a homemade brew, and you'll save a small fortune over time. Scrutinize your subscriptions too. Chances are you're paying for services you don't even use. Investing. Time is money. You've heard it before, but it's worth mentioning again: start investing early. The power of compounding can turn small investments into a substantial nest egg. Don't procrastinate, start now, and your future self will be forever grateful. Conclusion. And there you have it, 5 essential finance tips that will change the game for you. These secrets will not only help you take control of your financial destiny but also set you on the path to long-term prosperity. Take care of your finances, and they'll take care of you. Remember, nobody else will tell you these secrets, but we've got your back at LifeHacks Daily. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content.